Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about tech, but also go on a great adventure right here to Kangaroo Island. So, yeah. So now I'm on the Pacific Jewel, and I know it looks a lot like the Pacific Dawn. It's basically the same ship, maybe a few minor differences. Oh my gosh, everybody, it's JayBoston. So Jay's on the cruise. We're gonna do some live streams up on the top deck, and then we'll check in with you very soon. So. So obviously the GoPro mics aren't ideal for vlogging. And I'm not saying they're completely worthless. They're not that bad, but I want you to hear me in the best possible way that you can. So I bought this GoPro accessory that's USB-C to a TRS microphone connection and also another extra charging port right there. And what it's supposed to do is you plug it in and you can hook some mics into it and hopefully the sound will be better. All right, just a disclaimer, we're about to get really technical for the next 2 minutes. So the first thing we want to look at is the audio preferences in the GoPro menu. As you can see, we have 5 options. Just a standard mic plus that increases the mic level, powered mic for any of those mics with a battery in it, and powered mic plus. And also there's a line in section, so if you're a musician, this option's for you. But for now, let's just try out the different mics on the different standard settings. Okay, let's try the Rode SmartLav Plus. This is one I usually do for my live streams. I have it connecting straight to my phone because it's got the 3 lines on it, which is a TRRS connection for stereo and a microphone input. So I'll need this product right here to reverse that so I can go from the 3 lines to 2 lines, which is what GoPro uses. So this is the Rode SmartLav Plus. I just have it clipped on down here. I could also hold it out and have it clipped over here so that it's kind of just projecting towards me, which is kind of a cool way to do it. It sounds pretty decent. This is standard setting, and this is with the plus setting turned on, SmartLav Plus. I have it clipped on right here, or I can have it clipped over here. Flat, no EQing, no enhancement. I'm just gonna walk around with it like it's clipped up here. And you can hear the difference and hear the sound. Maybe the whole lav thing isn't for you, but I got the video macro. Main problem you see off the bat, like there's no clip for this. I have this Manfrotto thing, maybe that'll work. So this is with the Rode video macro. I just wanted to get a quick video on my phone to show you what it actually looks like. But what does it sound like? That's the main thing. Does it sound good? There's some wind going on. To me, I feel like this is kind of ridiculous how this is bigger than the GoPros. All right, so this is with standard mic plus turned on. I'm walking around. It's a little bit windy. As you can see, it's a little bit also kind of rough. So right now I'm thinking that the SmartLav Plus is probably the better option just because of the ease of portability. Like that's kind of insane to look at right now. Look at myself in the reflection. Okay, the techie stuff is done for now, but stay to the end and we're gonna do a side-by-side mic comparison. We're almost to Kangaroo Island, which doesn't have a lot of kangaroos, so don't get too excited. And I gotta find Jay, but I'm gonna put the SmartLav Plus back on and use that for now. Let's go. Okay, look at his big camera compared to mine. Yeah, you can't see it. It's a little windy out, so this will be a good test.
Contraption.
It's a little windy out, so this will be a good test.
Contraption. Pretty much does the same thing that this thing does.
Yeah. We just looked on the map and we're like, hey, let's go here. It's called Kangaroo Head on Kangaroo Island. Hey, it's like the head of the island. But my main question is, how does it sound? How does it sound? If you didn't remember Jay, we've done a couple videos together. Jay was in the AFL video.
Danny Black's first AFL game. Are you feeling good?
AFL stands for Australian Football League.
That's right.
We did an abandoned building video. It looks so smooth.
I like you without the gimbal, mate.
Yeah. As you already know, the GoPro 7 has this awesome hyper smooth feature, and it's amazing when you look at a rig like Jay's and how much he has to carry around. How do you feel like holding that thing for so long?
I'm used to it these days. I'm kind of like Quagmire or Family Guy.
I'm just gonna go and check my mail over there.
Look at Jay's Ronin S shot, and and look at my handheld GoPro footage. And side by side. So I think we're going over there. I'm not trying to downplay Jay's gear. I really want to encourage the people that can't afford a big rig or can't travel with all that gear that they might not need it. Whoa, check this out. Alright, now I'm back on the ship and I just wanted to do a quick side-by-side, same walk, same talk, so you can hear the differences between the microphones on the Standard Plus. The settings, I don't know, what do you think in the comments? Which one do you think sounds better? Which one should I go with? I mean, imagine having this microphone on there and then another light. It can be really cool. So a quick tip on the audio, usually I'll either go in and reduce the bass on it, or I will enhance the voice. And that usually makes it sound a lot better. But the real main problem is that when you're using these extra external microphones for the GoPro, the audio in your timeline is going to be off. It's going to be out of sync. You'll have to manually move it 4 frames forward to get it to sync up like it is right now. So it's synced up. Good job, future Danny. Well, thank you for joining me for Tech Tuesday. I'm going to be bringing that back at least once a month, maybe more, but also a special shout out to my subscriber, Aerial Gamer, who told me he liked Tech Tuesdays, so that's why. And thank you, JayBoston, for joining me on the cruise and the adventures that we had, and everyone else watching. Thanks for being here and helping my channel grow, and yeah, see you next time. Now, one thing I will say is that I'm talking a little bit quiet just because I'm naturally a quiet talker. Plus, you have, people around. But if I wanted to be a little bit louder and just talk like nobody's around, I think that that's always going to make the sound even better than what it was before. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. So talk like everybody's listening, I guess.
Right on.
Right on. Awesome. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.